Hi everyone, this is Kumo. Welcome back to the last episode of the split screen effect for close video. If you haven't watched the previous two tutorials, just click on here to watch them. I believe after studying this series, you'll know some new tricks to level up your video. Alright, if you're into this, keep watching. In this video, let's make the effects apply to the last two parts. Both parts show the obvious motion of the people, so it's better to be edited using a more flexible and interesting editing technique. The major effects we're going to use are color, picture-in-picture, circular mask, blurry. Alright, let's start the edits. This part is composed by one clip shows the background, and the two clips provide the details. First of all, let's drag the first clip onto the video track. Go to the inspector panel to find a transform and select width. Then we click on here. Move this clip upwards a little bit. Now we click on color. Just like what we already did, select mono from the preset LUTs. Then we bring down the exposure to make the clip look darker. This can help us emphasize the other two clips. Now we drag the second clip onto the overlay track. Resize and reposition it. The blank area in the clip is larger than expected. To fix this, let's click on Crop. Select 9:16. Then we scale down the selection box so we can emphasize the pattern on the dresses. Hit Apply. Next, we click on here to add a new overlay track. Put the third clip onto this new track. Adjust its size and position. Again, the blank area is too much. Let's click on Crop, select 9:16. This time, let's adjust the selection box to cover the upper body. For emphasizing the body under the sun, hit Apply. Last, we tweak the start times of the clips on these tracks. And then we add them all with the fade-in effect that lasts around half of a second. Now let's check out the result. Good job! We can see the use of the left and right split screen effect in this part. The left shows a model leaning on a pillar. The right shows the model is walking forward and the camera follows. Let's firstly add the first clip to the video track. Draw a new guide. Click on here to reposition it. For making the model appear in the center. Then we add the second clip to the overlay track. Come over to the inspector panel to find Transform and select Height. Now the clip on the video track is blocked, so it's invisible. If we drag it directly, the model will go to the outside of the canvas. In this case, we need to crop it. Choose Crop. Select this small dot on the left side and drag it. Move it to about here. Hit Apply. Then we reposition it. Disable the guide. That's it. Next, Let's make the blurry background and a round window effect. Let's first make a copy of this. Go to Effects and find Circular Mask. Drag it onto the effect track. Increase its duration. Go to the Inspector panel and uncheck Apply to Canvas. Select only this clip. Then let's find the Properties section and set the gradient to 0.06. Nothing changes. This is because these two clips are overlapped. We need to select this clip, find the image blurring under the Inspector panel, click on it, and bring these parameters to the maximum. We now get a blurred background. However, the location of this circle is not that desirable. Let's click on this clip, hit Crop. Click on Reset to reset this effect. The circular mask now turns to be a circle in the center. To optimize it, we need to adjust the shown range, just like this, to make the model appear in the center. Hit Apply. Then resize and reposition it. Okay, that's all. After making these edits for these 6 parts, you can trim them on the timeline for matching the music beat. That's all for this tutorial. Feel free to go to our homepage to watch our tutorials about more cool effects. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you get notified as soon as we post new content. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in our next video. Bye!